back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to be making a very simple Hakka style Chinese recipe. We're going to be making dragon chicken. This recipe is super famous all over India in Chinese restaurants. I'm going to show you how to make it. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. I'm going to start with the chicken. I have a pound of boneless chicken thigh here and I've already cut this into strips. You can use chicken breast if you prefer. Add salt and pepper to taste and just mix it in. Now for the batter. Add 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. Add water just a little bit at a time, stirring to break up all the lumps. Once it's smooth, I'm just going to crack in 2 eggs and incorporate. Add the batter to the chicken and make sure every piece is coated. I have some oil heating up here and I'm going to fry the chicken in batches. Remember that the dark meat will take a bit longer to cook. Make sure the chicken is flipped over golden brown on the outside and has had enough time to cook all the way through. Once golden brown, just drain the excess oil on some kitchen towel. Repeat this process till all the chicken is fried. I have a couple of tablespoons of oil heating here, and the first thing I'm going to brown is a 1/4 cup of raw cashews. Remove these and keep them aside. Add a 1/2 cup of sliced onion, a 1/4 cup of sliced spring onion and saute. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of finely minced garlic. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Sambar Oelek or chili paste, followed by a 1/4 cup of ketchup. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Mix everything together well. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of water just to thin out the sauce. I'm going to add 1 cup of green peppers. I just cut these into julienne strips, followed by all of the chicken. And I'm going to mix this well so the gravy coats the chicken. This is a dry preparation of dragon chicken. If you want more gravy, just double up on the sauce ingredients. Finally, I'm going to add the cashews I fried earlier, and it's ready to serve, garnished with some sesame seeds. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for dragon chicken. It packs so much flavor. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And leave me a comment below. I'd really like to know what you think about this video, but also what other videos you're looking for. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.